Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Promo AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Promo AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address promo.com and hit on enter. And over here guys, this is the home page of Promo. Now in order to log into your Promo account on your computer, let's close this. At the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. Let's click on the login button for us to sign in, and you can see guys, we have been redirected to the login panel of the Promo AI account. Now in order to log in, you can see there are two types of login related with an automated login process and a manual sign-in process. Over here guys, at the top of this list, top of the panel, you can see the continue with Google or Facebook button available over here. If you click on either of these buttons, a login page to your Facebook account or your Google account will open, and if you log into your respective accounts, you'll also be logging to your Promo AI account with your Google or Facebook account. And with that being said guys, let's go for a manual login and enter our email address with which we had created an account on the Promo AI. And after that, enter your password over here guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can already set it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you will be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to sign up for where you'll be able to retrieve or reset your account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Promo account online on your computer. And so guys, this is how you log into your Promo AI account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.